Good morning and welcome to the Real-Time Forex Trader. We're here trading Euro Dollar. On the IG platform we have a tick chart, 1 second chart, 10 seconds and 1 minute. And it's 7:23 in the morning. Market's ground down before 7 to 104.30. 7 o'clock we've seen a couple of sellers and then buyers lift it from just below 104.30 to 104.39.40, and it's looking a bit range bound at the moment in this market between 30 and 40. Coming back to the 10-minute chart, dollar losing ground overnight, sideways early this morning. If we look at the hour chart, dollar losing ground yesterday till 7 in the morning, 7 or 8. It's dropped down to just under 103, and then it spent the rest of the day rising. So there isn't a little since there. On Thursday overnight in Australia and Asia, peaking at 104.45.50s, and now it's just pulled back a bit. So daily, this long-term downtrend of the euro and increasing the value of the dollar has finished. The dollar's been in decline against the euro for the last month or two. Bottomed out here at 96 to the euro. Now 104.30s. Coming back to the 1 minute. It's just a bit range bound. So I'm not sure what we can do with much of this. It's not ideal for trend trading. There is a bit of scalping that can be done within the range bound market, but there's only a 10-pip movement, and it's quite easy to get caught in this when the market does make a move, either upwards or downwards. So we'll see what we can do. It's beginning to look like the bottom of the range. Is it worth having a cheeky buy on at some stage? Obviously buyers down here at 30s. They're quite happy to buy at 104.30. But as you can see, the trend line's quite flat. Lifting up off the bottom. Now we're getting to the middle of the range. I mean, last time it came up, it only came up here to 36.5. Most of that movement's gone now. That peak there, 38. That one got to 40. Now we're almost right in the middle of the range. So this is going to be a morning of sitting in front of the screen with my breakfast and waiting for it to do something. We're just caught in no man's land at the moment, in the middle of the range. Ah dear, my coffee already lukewarm. So it's just beginning to look like it's drifting off. And that's an interesting formation. These are trend lines, exponential moving averages. And what I'm looking for really is the market to show it's forming a trend and then trade in the direction of the trend. It's quite simple. It's an ideal strategy for scalping. Trade in the direction of the trend. Take quick profits where you can find them. But it's range bound at the moment and by and large sideways, so not an ideal time. No major news announcements due out today. So where's the market going to take us? That is the question. And it just has not decided yet. We're just sitting here pretty much in limbo. I would have thought most of the people at the banks are at their desks by now. And sooner or later, people are going to start making a decision about where this is going. Just coming up off the bottom here. I mean, by and large, it's a question of, do you think, are there any overall macroeconomic reasons for it to go higher than 104.50? Seller coming in there. Or do you think it's going to go lower? Just in the middle of its range at the moment. If it could come down to here, I'd be half tempted to put a buy on. And there's the first trade of the day. It's a long. And we're just hoping the market's going to come up off this bottom. So 1 pip in the money. Right, are the buyers going to lift it off 30 or is it going to start trending down? And this is as low as it's been for a while. We're 4 pips out of the money now, showing that just over a pip earlier should have been taken a quick profit when it was there. No, this doesn't look like it's going anywhere apart from down. It's having a bit of a pullback. And this is the danger of range trending markets. They're not easy to trade. But I think we might be out of this range bound now. Testing 25. We're about 6 pips out of the money now. And this shows you why we should have taken the quick profit when it was shown and then waited for the next trade, because that would have been a nice little downtrend to scalp, but we've missed that. And this looking like it wants to break lower. So I think we're probably best off out of this. 7 pips out of the money now. And I can't see any reason why this is going to go any better for the minute anyway. Breaking lower, we'll close out of that. We'll take the loss on that. Put a short on just in case it's going to go lower. I'm tempted to think that that trend might have had most of its movement now. 30 down to 25. We in that far too late, really. We should have been shorting up here. But this is the nature of scalping. You've got to be in and out quickly. And we weren't. So just trying to break through 104.25 now. Let's have a look at the 10-minute chart. just coming into a downtrend. 1 hour, it's just turned, but it's still above the trend lines which are fanned out. But that could be where it's turned, 104.50ish. Let's have a look earlier in the morning. So where was it up round that? 5 in the morning. Just coming up short of 104.50. So basically the market looking like it's grinding down since then. That short beginning to look like it's on right at the bottom of the market. So the two things the market can be doing, continuation or reversal, and that looks like the continuation, and this is beginning to look like the reversal. Coming up off the bottom. Just beginning to turn again. You might be able to get another short on round here. Get one on there. Just slightly slow. We could have done with it being there. So, where are we going with this? We've missed out on our first scalp of the day. We were too slow to take the pip and a bit profit. That caused us to miss this downtrend. Now, we've got to see if we've called the downtrend correctly, and is it going to continue? Or is 104.25 where there's plenty of support in the market? So 18 minutes till we come up to 8 o'clock. Where's this going? So our shorts on at 22.6 and 24.4. So I'm tempted to say this will come up to the trend line and then fall off it. But it went down to 22, 23. So it's at 5 pips back. Where's this going? We need some movement. It's just beginning to look sideways again, but nearly getting up to 27 again. We'll get one on there and see if this is going to pull back from the trend line. And it's just grinding higher. So we're going to have a bit of patience to see if we're going to get out of this soon. Possibly turning here at 104.30. Our high is short on at 27.5. So we might have been able to get one on up here at 29. Now, is this where it breaks down? First position coming back on side. Let's put another short on there. Start practicing selling into a falling market. Second position coming on side. So we've got 4 shorts on now. No, market having a reversal. That wouldn't have been a bad place to put a short on. So, coal market, where are you going? So we ought to get some stops on, I think about there, 42 or 43. And let's put that on at 103. 97. In case we have a good spike down with a big seller entering the fray. Right, come on. Where are you going, market? This should grind lower. I'd like to see it break into new lows below 104.25. Two positions in profit, one roundabout break even. This beginning to form up, looking like it's a downtrend. This staying nicely below the trend line. Market having a bit of a pull back to the trend line. And the market finding a bit of support round about 104.25. But where's it going? We're a bit too late entering here. That's similar to fear of missing out. Messed up because we didn't take the quick scalp there. It's time to start upping our game on this and being a lot faster. This scalping, definitely a young person's game. No, pulling back. But I'd like to see it fall off from here, I think. Right, can it break below 104.25? It's tested this a couple of times just here. We've got about 9 minutes to go to the hour. Slightly in profit. Right, breaking lower. The seller's definitely trying to break through this low of the morning. Forming up round here, obviously. Buyer at 22 and 22 and a bit. Just like to see it break through this. I'm tempted to take one of these off the market. I'll take that one. A couple of pips banked. So just over 3 pips. Let's see if it's going to break through this. Yes, finally. But the buyer's back in again. It does look like it should break through this. 7 minutes to go till the hour. Tempted to close out of this one if we can get it below 22. I'd just like to see it break through here. I think it's got the potential to do it. It's just not enough sellers around. It keeps trying this level. Come on, market, where are you? Something ought to be up and running by now. Right, testing it again. Yeah, testing as low as it's been. And if it breaks this, I would have thought it would break down to 20. 104.20. Breaking just through it. Trying it again. I think we'll take those 3 pips off the market. And we've got 5 minutes to go. Let's just see if this is going to grind lower for a few minutes. Grinding lower. I think we'll take that profit there, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please join, please subscribe, please give me a like.